Hello everyone, we're continuing what are the best products for you to use to advance your therapy, slow down, turn back the clock at every age, and we're in the 40s now. So you're still using cleanser once or twice a day, probably just once a day in the evening because your skin is getting drier. You're using serum in the morning. You're using vitamin C plus in the morning. If your skin is drier because you're now in your 40s, you add some wrinkle filler in with the serum and the vitamin C in the morning, a little fingertip size amount. And then in the evening, you need to not use serum in the evening, but to advance to using night regeneration at night after washing your face. The other thing is, at this point, you probably don't have pimples, blackheads, etc. And so I'm changing from Exfoliating Repair, which you finished using, and you change to Whole Body Renew, which is a different exfoliant, which is exfoliating, but you need to start paying attention to your body as well. So with the with the Whole Body Renew pads, you can use that after you wash your face at night or in the morning. You do face, eyelids, neck, chest, then you go, those pads will do your entire body because you need to start exfoliating your body as well, using an exfoliating cloth when you shower. And then at night, it's night regeneration. And if you need more moisture because your skin's getting increasingly drier, then you're gonna have to use some Emu in with the night regeneration at night. So that's in your 40s, and we will continue to advance from there. This will help. Thank you.